Hi, welcome to Math City. This is Mr. M. You got it? Okay, let's go straight to it. So today we are going to learn how to multiply a whole number and a mixed number. I will show you two ways to do this. One, by using the area model, and two, by changing the mix number into an improper fraction and multiply. Okay. So I wrote this problem down. Conley is filling his sand pail and pouring the sand into a large bucket. Can the bucket hold 8 of Conley's pails full of sand? Conley pail holds 2¾ pounds. The large bucket holds 30 pounds of sand. Okay, I'm going to use cubes to help me unfold this problem. To save time, I'm going to pause this. Now, as you can see, I have circled my key numbers, 8, 2¾ pound, and 30 pounds. Now, I underlined my question. Can the bucket hold 8 of Conley's pails full of sand? And B, I boxed my key math word. Now, this question, if you notice, it is really difficult to get a key math word here, but I use the word pouring that will help me understand that I am actually moving sand from Conley's pail into the large bucket. Okay, now there is a hidden question here. The hidden question is how how many pounds is 8 of Conley's pail? And so, if Conley is pouring 8 times, I am going to write 8. That's 8 times. And how many pounds does his pail hold? 2 and 3, 4. That is equal to n. Using the area model, I'm going to draw the area model here. I am only dividing this area into 2 because my first number, I will not be breaking it apart. It really doesn't make sense to break it apart. But the fraction, a mixed number, I am going to break it apart. So here, I'm not breaking the 8 apart. Here, I'm breaking the 2, 3/4 apart. And now I'm going to multiply 8 times 2. That is equal to 16. Now I'm going to multiply 8 times 3/4. Now, you know the steps to multiplying this is first put this over 1, and then we multiply the numerators and then multiply the denominators. So 8 times 3 is 24 over 1 times 4 is 4. Now, if I divide 24 in groups of 4, then I will get how many times 4 can go into 2, that will be 0. How many times 4 can go into 24, it will be 6. 4 times 6 is 24, and that remains 0. So the answer here is 6. So I know that 24 over 4 is the same as 6. Now I have to add my two partial product. 16 plus 6 is equal to 2, 22. So I know that 8 of Conley's pill would hold a total of 22 pounds of sand. Okay. So can this bucket, large bucket, hold 22 pounds? Absolutely. So my answer would be, so the question again, can the bucket hold 8 of Conley's pill full of sand? Yes, because 30 is more than 22. This is the area model. So let's now try try changing the mixed number into an improper fraction. Now you could use any model you want to, whatever works for you. Now in this method, I am going to change the mixed number into an improper fraction. To change a mixed number into an improper fraction, we multiply the whole number by the denominator and then we add the numerator. And we keep the denominator the same. So 2 times 4 is 8. 8 plus 3 is 11. So we are going to have 11 over, and I keep the denominator as 4. So now I have an equation, 8 times 11 over 4. And to solve this, I am going to put the 8 over 1. Now, the second step is to multiply the two numerators. So I'm going to multiply 8 times 11, and you can do this on your paper on the side. 8 times 11 is equal to 88. So my numerator is going to be 88 over 1 times 4 is equal to 4. My denominator is going to be 4. Now I simply have to divide to simplify this fraction. So I will go here again, do my working. I'm going to divide. How many groups of 4s can I get into? Can I get in 88? How many groups of 4 can I get in 8? 2 times 4 times 2 is 8. That's 0. I bring down the 8. How many groups of 4 can I get into 8? 2 times again. 2 times 4 is 8. And I'm done. So my answer here is 22. So 88 over 4 is equal to 22. All right, this one is pretty straightforward. Now I know 8 of Conway's bucket is going to have a total of 22 pounds of sand. So I want to know, can the bucket hold 8 of Conley's pails full of sand? In other words, can the bucket hold 22 pounds of sand? Absolutely. The answer is yes. Yes. Why? Because 30 pounds is more than 22. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed this video.